Morning folks, and welcome to part 2 of the Beast Creator series. Sorry I'm not outside, it's pretty damp and rainy, but we're going to get into it anyway. First thing we're going to make is a handprint ladybird. So all I've done is cut out this shape, so it's just 2 circles, or rather circle shapes. A small one on top of a big one, that's going to be our body, and I cut that out of black paper, or you can paint some paper black or colour it in black with some colouring pencils and then do the same. For the wings I have some deep pink, but you might have some red. It doesn't really matter, just as long as it's kind of a pinky reddy colour paper. And all I've done is fold it in half, that way when I trace around my hand I don't have to do it twice. And then if I do it here, then I will have 2 pieces exactly the same size ready. As you can see there, that didn't go quite to plan. My pen ran out halfway through, but that doesn't matter. So I have my hand done. I'm now going to cut those out and let's do it. So bringing back the body, and ta-da! I now have 2 shapes perfectly. So what I'm going to do is turn it over so they're like a mirror image of each other like that. And these are the wings. So I'm going to place them how I would like. You can have them close together like this, or maybe you can have them in mid-flight. So I'm just going to arrange those and then use a Pritt stick and stick them down. So what is this ladybird missing? Here's spots. Okay, so I'm going to do some spots with a sharpie. You can use a black colouring pencil or a pen, whichever one you want to. And I'm going to try and make them as symmetrical as I can. So if I place one here, I'm going to do one here. So let's see how it turns out. So that is my little ladybird done. So I wonder how many spots he has in total. I wonder if you can count them all up for me. And all I've done for his face is I cut out some eyes from some white paper and then coloured those in to do some little pupils. Yeah, and I put it on some newspaper because Sharpie seeps through and you don't want to get that on the table. But other than that, that is our handprint ladybird done. Okay, so the next one is making an organic butterfly. So you need to start off with a butterfly template. This is one that I got from the internet, or you could draw your own. I'm just feeling very tired today, so I picked one off the internet. So in order to decorate our butterfly, we need leaves and flowers, but don't go picking in your garden. You can find these easily when you go for your daily walk or exercise. And in order to stick these onto the paper, I will be using PVA glue, but you can use Pritt stick. You might just have to use a bit of it and it might take a little bit longer because you have to press it down, but PVA should do the trick. So all I'm going to do is arrange these onto the butterfly without sticking them down at first, just to see how I want to arrange them, and then after I'm happy, I'm going to go ahead with the PVA glue and stick it all down. So this is the finished butterfly. I really like how it turned out, and it's really important to practice where you want all the different leaves or grass or flowers to go before you actually commit with the glue. So I'm now going to let this dry for half an hour or an hour, and then I'm going to come back and do a final layer of PVA glue all over it just to lock it in. So as you can see, this is the final product, and there's that nice glassy finish from the PVA glue as well. So all I've done is to reinforce the paper. I put some gold card behind it and then gave him a little border, and then I coloured in at the middle in black Sharpie. So that's all I've done, and yeah, I can stick him up on the window next to my rainbow. So I can't wait to see yours, and you don't have to use things from the garden. You can use scrap paper, card, and do a mosaic. So it's completely up to you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.